Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. The playground in the park. Listen and repeat. They go to the park. They like the park. The park has a playground. The playground has a slide. They slide down the slide. The playground has a sandbox. They play in the sand. The playground has a seesaw. They go up and down on the seesaw. The playground has swings. They swing on the swings. Listen and answer. Do they go to the park?
Yes, they go to the park.
Who go to the park?
Anna and Ethan go to the park.
Where do they go?
They go to the park.
Do they like the park?
Yes, they like the park.
Who like the park?
Anna and Ethan like the park.
What do they like?
They like the park.
Does the park have a playground?
Yes, the park has a playground.
What has a playground?
The park has a playground.
What does the park have?
The park has a playground.
Does the playground have a slide?
Yes, the playground has a slide.
What has a slide?
The playground has a slide.
What does the playground have?
The playground has a slide.
Do they slide down the slide?
Yes, they slide down the slide.
Who slide down the slide?
Anna and Ethan slide down the slide.
What do they slide down?
They slide down the slide.
Does the playground have a sandbox?
Yes, the playground has a sandbox.
What has a sandbox?
The playground has a sandbox.
What does the playground have?
The playground has a sandbox.
Do they play in the sand?
Yes, they play in the sand.
Who play in the sand?
Anna and Ethan play in the sand.
Where do they play in?
They play in the sand.
Does the playground have a seesaw?
Yes, the playground has a seesaw.
What has a seesaw?
The playground has a seesaw.
What does the playground have?
The playground has a seesaw.
Do they go up and down on the seesaw?
Yes, they go up and down on the seesaw.
Who go up and down on the seesaw?
Anna and Ethan go up and down on the seesaw.
What do they go up and down on?
They go up and down on the seesaw.
Does the playground have swings?
Yes, the playground has swings.
What has swings?
The playground has swings.
What does the playground have?
The playground has swings.
Do they swing on the swings?
Yes, they swing on the swings.
Who swing on the swings?
Anna and Ethan swing on the swings.
What do they swing on?
They swing on the swings.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. They went to the park. They liked the park. The park had a playground. The playground had a slide. They slid down the slide. The playground had a sandbox. They played in the sand. The playground had a seesaw. They went up and down on the seesaw. The playground had swings. They swung on the swings. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. They will go to the park. They will like the park. The park will have a playground. The playground will have a slide. They will slide down the slide. The playground will have a sandbox. They will play in the sand. The playground will have a seesaw. They will go up and down on the seesaw. The playground will have swings. They will swing on the swings. Vocabulary. Park. Like. Playground. Slide. Sandbox. Seesaw. Swing. Question of the day. Do you like the park? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.